RevExpo.com. Empowering, enhancing, informing.
Hello friends, welcome to RevExpo.com. Today we will be reviewing Citra LR 2018 powerful rechargeable fan with LED. Let's start unboxing this product, which was purchased from Amazon by one of our customers. So this is the package what we have received from Amazon. You see the box is nicely sealed, but at one side it is damaged, but still it is sealed. You see, seal is not broken. So in this box we have received invoice. You can see it was purchased from Amazon. The model name Micmac powerful rechargeable table fan with 21 LED light. So the cost is 831 when it was purchased. Let's take out the box. This is the LED light with rechargeable table fan. So it's a folding fan, model number LR 2018 multifunction. So how to operate? So here are the instructions provided, how to use, and here the specifications are Milte mentioned, technical data, and how many angles it can be used. You can see the right, it can be used in 4 angles. So this is the fan what we have received. It's a white color fan with the green combination. So this is received charging cable in the box. So now we have unfolded this table fan. So we can see, so we have 2 angles. So we have 2 buttons. One is for LED light, another for fan. This is a trigger to rotate. As you rotate for the first time, it is a speed mode. As you rotate to the right, it is slow downs. See, so off, high speed, and then low speed. You can see you can see, so we can use those to hang on the wall, so it can be foldable in required directions. So this is all about the unboxing of Citra LR 2018 powerful rechargeable fan with LED. Hope you liked this video. Subscribe our channel RevExpo.com to get latest video updates. In the next video we will be seeing how this rechargeable table fan works with LED and without LED. Thank you.